2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ok, j'ai pris un bonus Buffalo Lightning Inc. Ouais, ça va payer. Oh, whoa, shit, man. Yes, sir. How much is that? 1088, not bad. It's not bad. The trigger, coin. Yes, sir. The trigger right there. The trigger. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is good. This is fucking good. This is very good. It's actually it's a low school, but it doesn't matter. Yes, sir, the mini. The mini is at $20. And the grand, my friend, 25. The super grand jackpot, $25,000. Okay then. That's pretty good. A dollar bet. Come on, baby. Come on, do it. Yes. Oh, too close to 2 to the grand, the super grand. Come on. Come on, baby. Ah. Can you please pay, Alex? $73. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Come on, re-trigger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. Do it. Do it. Another re-trigger. Come on. Ah. Come on, baby. Coins. Coins. Man.